Alright, so we're looking at this Whirlpool washer. Complaint is making noise, grinding noise when the motor's running. So we're gonna take a look, see what's going on with it. That is the model number. Kind of hard to see the model number. How they have it. But let's see, model number right there. That's the model number. So Whirlpool 110. All right. So let's take the back off. Let's see. Got a plate here. Take this plate off. Then got 2 screws. Alright, so let's take a look inside. You see the 4 suspension rods. Alright, so we're going to put the unit in diagnostic. What's going on here? Unplug it. Want it to be in sleep mode. Wait about a minute. Back in. Do the little dance. Alright, so now we are in diagnostic mode. And we want to come over here to where it's a automatic diagnostic test. So we're gonna just put it to the spin, hit start. So we're gonna let it run through the diagnostic cycle, see what's going on with the unit. Should give us some error codes. We're going to go into the diagnostic cycle. And okay, automatic diagnostic mode, so you guys can follow along based on the lights. You guys can follow along to see. So right now it's saying hot and cold, actuate. Next it's gonna go shifter, move into shift position. You can see the lights representing the lights on the paper. Alright. I did not hear the shift. Oh, there it is. It did shift. So right now the motor's agitating okay. Draining okay. Next, the shifter is going to move into spin position. Just look at the lights on the machine. The suspension rod seems a little All right, so now it's going to go into spin position. Let's see what's going on. I definitely do not hear any grinded noise like what was reported. I was thinking I would have been able to see something here. So far, no grinding noise. Let's see. Make sure this is good. Oh, you know, that could be why. That is not supposed to be loose. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and put it into high spin. So manual mode. Lock. And let's put it into high spin, see what it does. Manual test. We're going to come over here to where it's a high spin. Alright, that's high spin right there. You can see the lights indicating it. Let's see what's going on. Alright, so the issue with the washer is that it needs a new gear assembly. So that's what's defective on the unit. Alright, that completes this diagnostic. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for joining us.